Hello, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in making AI video. Let's get started. First step, you need to open your browser and type chat.openai.com. And then you will see this. You choose login. And then you're going to see this ChatGPT interface. And then ask AI about the topic you want to do. Just like, tell me about cats. And you're gonna get your answer in a few seconds. After that, you wanna go to pictory.ai and then click login. And then you may proceed. After that, enter your video title. And from ChatGPT, you can copy-paste it back to pictory.ai. Once you're done, click proceed. In here, you can choose on what type of video template you want. And also, the ratio of your video. And there you have it. You can also edit the visuals. And you can also choose your own background music. You just need to patiently wait. And there you have it. Enjoy your video. And I hope this video tutorial helped you out.